What if the only forex strategy you need as a beginner could be explained in under 3 minutes? Forget the confusing indicator, forget learning multiple strategy, cancel out all noise. All you need is a floor and a ceiling. Look at this chart. See how the market comes down to a certain level and bounce back up over and over. It's like hitting a floor it can't break. We call that a support. Now look at the top. See how the price goes up, hits this other level and get rejected back down. It's hitting a ceiling. We call that a resistance. This is the entire strategy. Wait for price to come to a resistance level or a support level. They will wait for price to react, maybe giving us a candlestick pattern, possibly a chart pattern that tells us that the market will respect this level or that the market wants to bounce off this level. Now, for this case, let's do a buy scenario. So now wait for price to come down to a support level. For price to come down to a support level. Now, price is at a support level. Price is at this support level right here. Now wait for price to react to this level. That's okay, telling us that this market wants to buy from here. And one thing you should know that support and resistance is not always perfect. Note that support and resistance is not always perfect. You might see some candle close above. We'll call this a fake out. Let's wait. Now we can see we have seen an engulfing bar. I'll just wait to see one more candle. One more candle showing us that the market is rejecting this level. So I'll put my entry right there, put my stop loss below this level, and I get 1:2, at least a minimum of 1:2. As you can see, our 1:2 fell within the resistance level. We are good to go. We'll just see what the market did. Okay, retrace the 18. Okay. As you can see, take profit smashed right now. As if from here we bought and trade to take profit. Now let's do it for sales. As you already know, once price gets to the ceiling or the resistance level, we'll take a sell. As you can see, the trend currently is bearish. So you can see the market gets to this level. As you can see, now the market gets to this level and starts rejecting. Okay, I started consolidating around this level. You can see multiple candles. Let's see, now we have this impulsive move to the downside. I'll just still wait for confirmation. There's no confirmation yet. Okay, now price is going back up. As you can see there again, price has been hit out at this level. So right now, this is the resistance before, but currently we have this resistance now. Price is creating a resistance around here. Price has created a resistance around here. So we'll just wait to see one more candle. I can see one more bearish candle. Shows that okay, this market has rejected this level and this possibility it might fall down. So we'll just put our entry around here. Our stop loss a little bit above. And I'll take profit. Make sure your 1:3 fall within this resistance level. Your take profit should not be more yet. Make sure your take profit falls within this level. Your 1:2, make sure it falls within this resistance level. As you can see now, our take profit 1:2 falls within this resistance level. So now let's see what the market does with respect to this level. We've got it brought down. Okay, we've got an governing bar now. So that's straight to take profits. Now this confirmation we used was a double top. This was a chart pattern confirmation. The first one we used a candlestick pattern confirmation. In this one we use a chart pattern confirmation. This chart pattern is called a double top. In another video I'll talk about chart patterns. One key point to note down is that multiple strategy works on different market conditions. Now the market can either be trending or ranging. Now, in this case, the strategy I talked to you work best on a ranging market. It's important to know that it doesn't work on a trending market. Now, we have come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon anytime I drop a new video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.